Hello, this is our aluminum dome head bulb Tite tri-firm blind rivet 5.2 by 19.1. We are going to show you 4 types of routine tests. The first test is size measurement. The body diameter is 5.13 and 5.15 millimeters. The body length is 19.16 and 19.24 millimeters. The head diameter is 11.48 and 11.31 millimeters. The head height is 2.92 and 2.98 millimeters. The mandrel diameter is 2.87 and 2.87 millimeters. The mandrel protrusion is 28.77 and 29.39 millimeters. The second test is the riveting test. The washer thicknesses we prepared is 1.5 millimeters and 6 millimeters, 2 PCs for each. And you can see all the riveting performances are very nice. The third is the mandrel breaking test. Here we put the rivets into the machine. We can see the result of the first rivet is 2,804 newtons. Then the second result is 3,132 newtons. The fourth is the mandrel retention test. Here we put the rivets, which have been riveted into the machine. We can see the result of the first rivet, which is riveted with 6 mm washer thicknesses, is 696 newtons. Then the second result of the rivet, which is riveted with 1.5 mm washer thicknesses, is 783 newtons. The fifth is the tensile test. Before testing, we install the rivets on the fixture and put into the machine. Our reference tensile strength is 1,800 newtons. Now we can see the first result is 1,909 newtons. The second result is 1,990 newtons. Next is the shear test. Our reference shear strength is 2,700 newtons. We can see the first result is 3,113 newtons. And the second result is 3,581 newtons. Now all tests are over. Thank you for watching this video and welcome to reach out to us.